Pooja from GBM Girls College, Sonipat. Today we will discuss about the time series analysis part 2, example 11 to 15. Now we start our example number 11. The seasonal indices of the sales of garments of a party's particular type in a certain shop are given below. Here we will give them four quarter 1 January to March, quarter 2nd April to June, quarter 3rd July to September, and quarter 4 is October to December. Here we will have seasonal indices given, that is 97, 85, 83 and 135. If the total sales in the first quarter of a year be worth rupees 15,000, यहाँ पर हमें टोटल सेल्स दी हुई है फर्स्ट क्वार्टर की जो कि 15,000 है. Determine how much worth of garments of this type should be kept in stock by the shop owner to meet the demand in each of the 3 quarters of the year. ना यहाँ पर हमें फर्स्ट क्वार्टर की तो सेल्स दी हुई है जो कि 15,000 है. अब हमें नेक्स्ट 3 क्वार्टर्स की स्टॉक और निकालना है. तो नेक्स्ट वी मूव टू अवर सॉल्यूशन. Calculation of estimated stock. Quarters January to March. Seasonal index is 97. Here estimated stock is already given, that is 15,000. So we find our estimated stock of April to June whose seasonal index is 85. Here we will see that a quarter of April to June seasonal index is 85 and we find the estimated stock. Estimated stock of 97 is 15,000. अगर हमें 97 का 15,000 दे रखा है तो हम अगर हमारे पास वन सीजनल इंडेक्स हो तो एस्टिमेटेड स्टॉक क्या होगा ना 15,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 97. तो हमें 85 सीजनल इंडेक्स का निकालना है. तो फिर 85 सीजनल इंडेक्स का एस्टिमेटेड स्टॉक हम निकालेंगे 15,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 97 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 85. तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 15,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 85 डिवाइडेड बाय 97. तो हमारे पास क्वार्टर 2nd अप्रैल टू जून का एस्टिमेटेड स्टॉक आ जाएगा जो कि हमारे पास है 13,144. अब हम नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर 3rd क्वार्टर जुलाई टू सितंबर का एस्टिमेटेड स्टॉक निकालेंगे जिसका सीजनल इंडेक्स है 83. तो हमारे पास क्वार्टर जुलाई टू सितंबर है, सीजनल इंडेक्स 83 है और हमें एस्टिमेटेड स्टॉक निकालना है. तो एस्टिमेटेड स्टॉक अगर हमें 97 एस्टिमेटेड स्टॉक निकालना है, 97 सीजनल इंडेक्स है तो 15,000 हमारे पास उसके पास एस्टिमेटेड स्टॉक है 97 का. तो 1 अगर हम लेंगे तो 15,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 97. तो 83 का जो हमारे पास सीजनल इंडेक्स है उसका एस्टिमेटेड स्टॉक क्या होगा 15,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 97 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 83. इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 15,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 83 डिवाइडेड बाय 97. So next move to our quarter 3rd, that is October to December. Seasonal index is 135. So estimated stock of quarter 4th is 15,000 multiplied by 135 divided by 97, that is 20,876. We will have also the alternative method to find the estimated stock with the help of deseasonalized sales. To find the deseasonalized sales, we have the formula, that is observed value divided by seasonal effect. To find the seasonal effect, we have the formula seasonal index divided by 100. So quarter first seasonal effect is 97 divided by 100, that is 0.97. And quarter second seasonal effect is 85 divided by 100, that is 0.85. Quarter third seasonal effect is 83 divided by 100, that is 0.83. Quarter fourth seasonal effect 135 divided by 100, that is 1.35. With the help of this seasonal effect, uh, here we find our seasonal effect and our deseasonalized value, say sales, observed value divided by seasonal effect. Observed value is our 15,000 and seasonal effect of given first quarter, that is 0.97. So our deseasonalized sales is 15,463.9175. With the help of deseasonalized sales and seasonal effect, we will find our estimated stock. So we will given quarter, third, second, third, and fourth. Seasonal index is 85, 83, and 135. Seasonal effect we will find that is 0.885, 0.83, 1.35. So estimated stock is a deseasonalized sale multiplied by seasonal effect of first second quarter, that is 13,144 rupees, and third quarter is 12,835, fourth quarter is 20,876. So we will find the estimated stock with the help of two methods. Now we move to our example number 12. Given the following ratio of observed to trend values, यहाँ पर हमें ट्रेंड वैल्यूज दी गई है इन द परसेंटेज. कैलकुलेट द सीजनल इंडिसेस. यहाँ हम सीजनल इंडिसेस निकालेंगे. इफ द एनुअल सेल्स of 1991 are expected to rupees 22,000 lakh. यहाँ हमें एनुअल सेल दी गई है, एनुअल सेल दी गई है 1991 की एक्सपेक्टेड जो कि 2,000 lakh रुपीज है. So what are the likely sales of the individual quarter? हमें individual quarter के sales निकालने. So here we are given years 1987 to 1990 and given 4 quarters and their trends are given. So move to our solution. Firstly, we will write the old trend values of years and quarters. To find the seasonal indices, we have the formula. That is quarterly average divided by general average multiplied by 100. So first we find the quarterly average. To find the quarterly average, we will find the total of individual quarters. Quarterly average total of first quarter is 396. Total of second quarter is 404. Total of third quarter is 360, and the fourth quarter is 440. So next we find our quarterly average. Quarterly average we will find total of individual quarter divided by number of years. Number of years we have 4. So 396 divided by 4, that is 99. And second quarter 404 divided by 4, that is 101. 360 third quarter total and divided by 4, that is quarterly average is 90, and fourth quarter 440 divided by 4, that is 110. So we find our quarterly average. Then next we find our general average, because to find the seasonal indices we also find the general average. General average means the average of average. So we find add the total of individual quarters, 99 plus 101 plus 90 plus 110, and divided by 4, that is 100. So our general average is 100. Next we find our seasonal indices. Seasonal indices 99, that is quarterly average, divided by 100, that is general average, multiply by 100. So seasonal indices of first quarter is 99. Next move to the second quarter. Quarterly average of second quarter is 101 divided by general average, that is 100, multiplied by 100, and the second quarter seasonal indices is 101. Third quarter quarterly average is 90 divided by general average 100, multiply 100, that is 90. As same as fourth quarter seasonal indices is 110. Here expected annual sales for 1991 is 2000 lakh. हमें 1991 की एनुअल सेल्स गिवन है 2000 lakh. तो यहाँ पे हमें एनुअल सेल्स दे रखी है, लेकिन हमें क्वार्टरली सेल्स निकालनी है, तो हम 1991 की क्वार्टरली सेल्स निकालेंगे. क्वार्टरली सेल्स निकालने के लिए हम करेंगे एनुअल सेल्स of 1991 divided by 4, because we will find the quarter sales. So annual sales is 2000 divided by 4, that is 500. अब हम हमारे यहाँ पे 500 आ गई क्वार्टरली सेल्स. हम यहाँ पे मान के चलेंगे कि हमारे पास अगर हमारे पास 100 सीजनल, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे एक्सपेक्टेड सेल्स निकाल रहे हैं, एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे कि अगर हमारे पास 100 सीजनल इंडिसेस है तो हमारे पास 500 सेल्स है, एक्सपेक्टेड सेल्स है. तो हमें क्वार्टर वन का सीजनल इंडिसेस 99 गिवन है, क्योंकि सीजनल इंडिसेस तो इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज होता रहता है, तो यहाँ पे क्वार्टर वन का सीजनल इंडिसेस हमारे पास 91 है. और तो हमें एक्सपेक्टेड सेल्स निकालनी है तो एक्सपेक्टेड सेल्स हम निकालेंगे 500 डिवाइडेड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 99 डिवाइडेड बाय 100। जैसे कि हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में किया था 100 पे सीजनल इंडिसेस पे 500 सेल्स है तो 1 पे 500 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 तो 99 पे 500 मल्टीप्लाई 99 डिवाइडेड बाय में 100 हो जाएगी। तो यहाँ पे हमारे फर्स्ट क्वार्टर की एक्सपेक्टेड सेल्स आ जाएगी 495 लाख। तो सेकेंड क्वार्टर की एज सेम our seasonal indices is 101, expected sales is 500 multiplied by 101 divided by 100, that is 405 lakh. Next quarter third seasonal indices is 90, expected sales हमारे पास 500 तो हमारे पास multiply by 100 divided by multiply by 90 divided by 100 तो हमारे पास expected sales आ जाएगी 450 lakh. Quarter 4 seasonal index is 110 and same as expected sales with 500 multiplied by 110 divided by 100, that is 550 lakh. Next we moved over example number 13. Calculate the seasonal index number from the following data. अभी हमें seasonal index निकाल लेंगे and we will given ratio of observed to trend values. Here we also given the trend values in percent. Years are 1999 to 2004 and we have four quarters and their trend values are given. In the question, next question says, if the sales of a good X by a firm in the first quarter of 2005 is worth rupees 92,000. यहाँ पे भी हमें 2005 के जो है फर्स्ट क्वार्टर की वर्थ दे रखी है जो कि 92,000 रुपीज है. Determine how much worth of the goods should be kept in stock by the firm to meet the demand. हमें नेक्स्ट 3 quarters की स्टॉक निकालनी है in each of the remaining 3 quarters of 2005 by using the seasonal index numbers calculated है. seasonal index की हेल्प से हमें निकालना है. तो हम यहाँ से अपने सॉल्यूशन पे मूव करेंगे. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एग्जांपल नंबर 13. Calculation of seasonal index by ratio to trend method. Ratio to trend method, we will find the seasonal index. Year 1999 to 2004 and we have 4 quarters and their trends. So we find the total. That is, first quarter total is 552, second quarter is 696, third quarter is 618, fourth quarter is 534. Here we will see that average and seasonal indices of indices are given in the same column. So let's see how these are given in the same column. Here we see that quarterly average. First we find the quarterly average with the help of total of individual quarter. So quarterly average is 92, 116, 103 and 89. Next we find general average 400 divided by 4, that is 100. So next we find our seasonal indices, quarterly average divided by general average multiplied by 100. So quarterly average is 92 and general average is 100. So first quarter, to find the first quarter seasonal index is 92 divided by 100 multiplied by 100, that is 92. And quarter second 103 divided by 100 multiplied by 100, that is 103. And quarter third 116 divided by 100 multiplied by 100 is 116. 89 divided by 100 multiplied by 100, that is 89 for quarter 4. Here we see that quarterly average and the seasonal indices are both are same. So this way we can here seasonal indices and the quarterly average are same. Here it says a total of average 92 plus 116 plus 103 400 यही दिया हुआ है. Since the total 400 हुआ हमारा total, no adjustment required. हमें यहाँ पे इसलिए कोई adjustment की requirement नहीं है. The next says the actual sales in the first quarter is worth rupees 92,000. हमें actual sale दे रखी है first quarter की 92,000. So इसलिए हम the sales without considering the seasonal effect. तो हम यहाँ पे सेल्स निकालेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ सीजनल इफेक्ट. मीन्स कि हम यहाँ पे डीसीजनलाइज्ड सेल्स की हेल्प से अपनी सीजनल इफेक्ट उसको सीजनल स्टॉक एस्टिमेटेड स्टॉक को फाइंड करेंगे. तो डीसीजनलाइज सेल्स का फॉर्मूला हमारे पास होता है observed value divided by, in the point number 2 we can see deseasonalized sales formula, that is observed value divided by seasonal effect. So observed value we will given, that is 92,000, and uh, in the back we will find we will learn the formula of seasonal effect, that is seasonal effect indices divided by 100. So here 92,000 divided by 92 divided by 100, that is seasonal effect. So 92,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 92, that is 1 lakh. Here we have deseasonalized sales, that is 1 lakh. Now we find the estimated stock of our quarters. So estimate to find the estimated stocks. Deseasonalized sales is 1 lakh. Seasonal index second quarter 116, third quarter 103, and fourth quarter is 89. So estimating stock of second quarter is 1 lakh. That is deseasonalized sales, and multiply by 116 divided by 100. So our estimated stock, that is 1 lakh 16,000. As third quarter third, see estimated stock of 1 lakh multiplied by 103 divided by 100, that is 1 lakh 3,000. In the fourth quarter, the seasonal sales is 1 lakh and its seasonal index is 89. So estimated stock is 1 lakh multiplied by 89 divided by 100, that is 89,000. So that's our example number 30. Next we move to our example number 40. The trend equation for quarterly sales of a firm is estimated to be as follows. मीन्स कि हम यहाँ पे क्वार्टरली सेल अपनी इक्वेशन की हेल्प से फाइंड करेंगे. Y is equal to 20 plus 2x, that is our trend equation, where Y is a sales per quarter in millions of rupees. The unit of X is 1 quarter. Here X unit is given, that is 1 quarter, and the origin is the middle of the first quarter, that is January to March of 2001. It means यहाँ पर हमें 2001 को origin मान के चलना है of first quarter, 2001 first quarter origin. The seasonal indices of sales for the 4 quarters are as follows. हमें यहाँ पे seasonal indices given है. So we have 4 quarters, first, second, third, fourth, and seasonal indices 120, 105, 85, and 90. So estimate the actual sales for each quarter of 2006. So we estimate the actual sales of each quarter 2006. 2006 के हमें एक्चुअल सेल्स फाइंड करनी है और हमें यहाँ पे 2001 को ओरिजिन मान के चलना है. सो मूव टू अवर सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट क्वार्टर ऑफ 2001 इज द ओरिजिन. फर्स्ट क्वार्टर जो है 2001 का हमारा ओरिजिन होगा. तो यहाँ पे हम सो वी विल सी दैट ओरिजिन इज 2001 फर्स्ट क्वार्टर. ओरिजिन हमारे पास अगर 2001 का फर्स्ट क्वार्टर है तो वहाँ पे एक्स हमारा 0 होगा. सेकंड क्वार्टर 1 होगा, थर्ड क्वार्टर 2, फोर्थ क्वार्टर 3, एंड 2002 का फर्स्ट क्वार्टर 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ऐसे ही हम यहाँ पे जो है 2005 6 तक करेंगे. फिर यहाँ पे अगर हम 2006 पे आते हैं, so we will see that 2006 first quarter X is 20, second quarter is 21, third quarter is X is 22, and fourth quarter X is 23. So now we move to our solution. Quarter 2006, first, second, third, fourth is given. X is 20, 21, 22, and 23. And trends of, so we will find here trends. So that's with the help of equation that is given 20 plus 2x. So 20 plus 2x is given. X we will find that of 2006 first quarter is 20, 21 is second quarter, 22 is third, and 23 is fourth. So 20 plus 2 multiplied by 20 is equal to 60 trend of first quarter. 20 plus 2 multiplied by 21 is equal to 62 trend of second quarter. 20 plus 2 multiplied by 22 is equal to 64, that is trend of second third quarter. 20 plus 2 multiplied by 23 is equal to 66, the trend of fourth quarter. And we have seasonal index is given, that is 120, 105, 85, and 90. Next, we move to find our estimated actual sales. So we find our estimated actual sales uh, trend values multiply by seasonal effect. Here you will see seasonal point number 2, estimated actual sales. Quarter 1, 60 multiplied by 120 divided by 100. That is seasonal effect. Seasonal index 120 divided by 100. That is 160 multiplied by 1.20, and our answer is 72. So estimated sales of first quarter is 72, and second is same as second quarter, 62 multiplied by 105 divided by 100, that is 62 multiplied by 1.05 is equal to 65.1 is the second quarter. As same as we find the estimated sales of third quarter, that is 54.4. As same find the estimated sales of fourth quarter, that is 59.4. So that's our example number 40. Next we move to our example number 50. The seasonal indices of the sales of garments of a particular type in a certain shop are given below. It means here we given the seasonal indices. So in the next question, in the next we says if the total sales in the first quarter of a year before rupees 15,000, it means he says total sales of first quarter, total sales जो है first quarter की वो 15,000 दी हुई given है and sales are expected to rise by 4% in each quarter और सेल्स जो है 4% each quarter जो है इंक्रीज होती है ये उन्होंने एक्सपेक्ट किया है. Determine how much worth of garments of this type be kept in stock by the shop owner to meet the demand for each of the 3 quarters of the year. It means हमें अपने next 3 quarters हैं उनके स्टॉक को जो है फाइंड करना है. So we move to the solution. Before we move to our solution, we see the note that is given in the question. Since sales are expected to rise by 4% in each quarter, sales जो है 4% in each quarter जो है expect की गई है rise होगी. The expected sales of previous quarter will become the base. उन्होंने कहा है कि जो previous quarter है उसको बेस लेकर जो है हम सेल्स को इंक्रीज करेंगे 4%. So move to our solution. Computation of stock. Quarter is given first, second, third, and fourth. First, we find the expected sales. Expected sales of first quarter, that is given 15,000. That is given in the question. So in the second quarter, with the base of first quarter, यहाँ पे हम base मानेंगे first quarter को, तो base first quarter को मानेंगे जिसमें हमें sales 15,000 दे रखी है. ठीक है, 15,000 सेल दे रखी है हमें, 100 हम मान के चले ये तो हमारे पास 100 पे 15,000 है, तो 1 पे 15,000 डिवाइडेड बाई 100, तो 104 पे हमारे पास हो जाएगी 15,000 divided by में 100 multiplied by में 104, that is 15600. So as same in the third quarter, we will find with the help of with the base of second quarter. अब यहाँ पे हम base जो है second quarter को लेंगे, तो हमारे पास second quarter में sales 15600 थी और हमने sales को expect किया था 4% increase होगी, तो 100 का 4% 4 ही होगा, तो 100 plus 4 104 multiply 104 divided by 100 आ जाएगा, तो हमारे पास आ जाएगी यहाँ की सेल 16,224. As same as fourth quarter. In the fourth quarter, we will base the third quarter. In the third quarter, our sale is 16,224. So 16,224 multiplied by 104 divided by 100. So our sales is 16,873. So this we find the expected sales. In the question, seasonal index is given, that is 97, 85, 83, and 135. Now we find our estimated stock. Estimated stock 15,000, that is expected sales, multiplied by 97 seasonal index divided by 100. So our estimated stock is 15,550. In the second quarter, 15,000 expected sales is 15,600 and seasonal index is 85. So 50,600 multiplied by 85 divided by 100. Our estimated stock is 13,260. Next, we move our third quarter. The expected sales is 16,224. Seasonal index is 83. So estimated stock 16,224 multiplied by 83 divided by 100. So our estimated stock is 13,406. So next move 66. So move to our quarter fourth. Our expected sales is 16,873. Seasonal index is 135. So our estimated stock is 16,873 multiplied by 135 divided by 100, that is 22,779. So friends, these are our example 11 to 15. I hope you understand the concept, all concept of example 11 to 15. Thank you guys.